Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you are new to the channel, then check out the analysis of other pairs in the Forex analysis playlist. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and simply by looking at the chart we can clearly see that this is a bearish market. In simple words, this market is dominating by the sellers, and we get the confirmation from this lower highs here, which means whenever market is trying to go up or whenever market is trying to recover, it is unable to cross the previous high. Rather, market is forming lower highs here, and this is the confirmation of the seller's dominance in the market. And if we connect these levels here, then we can easily see that market is respecting this trend line as a dynamic resistance for the market. On the other hand, if we join these two lower price levels here, then we get a trend line here which may or may not act as a support for the market. I'm using the word may or may not because see, we have only joined two price levels here, so therefore we cannot be sure that this trend line is a valid support. On the other hand, look at the resistance here, or look at the trend line here. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is respecting the trend line as a resistance, or the trend line is not allowing the market to go up. Therefore, resistance is valid but not sure about the support level. Okay. Therefore, following the thumb rule of the market, trend is your friend. So this market is in downtrend. Therefore, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And as I always say, we should always look for the area of value or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best buying opportunity is always near the support. Whereas in downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And in this market, we have only one resistance here, this trend line, which is a dynamic resistance. So I'll request you, my dear friends, please draw this trend line in your charting platform so that you can understand the market better, so that you can understand the chart better. Therefore, draw this trend line and just wait for the market to go up. Okay. When market will be going up and reach this trend line or hit this trend line, then just observe the price. If you see market struggling near the trend line, or if you see price being rejected from above just like the previous times, if you see selling pressure at the trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is still a valid resistance. This trend line is still dominated by the sellers, and you can short the market at the trend line. This is the only trading opportunity for you right now. On the other hand, you can also see that I have drawn a box here, this level. Okay. This level is also important for the market. Let me tell you one thing that I have not shared in my earlier videos, that is, okay, apart from these two levels, okay, if we go to the weekly chart here, the chart is taking time to load. It has opened at last. So if you go to weekly chart of pound Japanese yen, then you can see that market is just standing at the support on the weekly chart. And the best thing is that there is also price rejection from below. During previous time in the month of April, when market went down, this is the level, or this was the level that provided support to the market, and right now the same level on the weekly chart is trying to provide support to the market, which is a very good thing, and it's a clear-cut confirmation to us that yes, buyers are there in the market, or buyers are sitting at this level, and they will not allow the market to go down that easily. Therefore this level is important for the market, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boss, the big players. So we have one good support from the weekly chart. Now let's switch to the Forex chart again. And right now you can see that market is just standing at the support here. But try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. Okay. Though market is standing at the support level, and that support level is not an ordinary support level. This support level belongs to the weekly chart that has already provided support to the market in the past also. But this support level, yes, market did go up from here. Market did not cross the support level, but still, just look at the present condition of the market here. Though market is standing at the support level, but still it does not have the strength to go up. If I tell you to just focus on this, if I tell you to just focus on these candles, do you think that market have the strength to go up? Do you think that the bulls have the power to go up here? No. Right now market is standing at a support, but still the bulls, the buyers does not have the strength for a trend reversal here or to take the price upward. See, this is a market. In a marketplace, we have got two participants, buyers and sellers. In this market, number of sellers are much higher. If there are 100 traders in the market right now, then at least 80 traders are sellers and only 20 traders are buyers. The number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers. As a result, market is unable to go up, though market is just standing at the support level. Therefore, considering the present scenario of the market, I will not tell you to go for a buy order because market does not have the strength right now. If after a couple of hours or by tomorrow, if you see some buying pressure, or if you see that buyers have come in, or if you see volume, then you can go for buy here. But right now market does not have the strength here, therefore do not buy right now. Because see, support and resistance levels are not permanent. They are not something that cannot be destroyed. They are like wooden flooring. Okay. So they can be destroyed. So you cannot be 100% sure that there is a support, then market will definitely bounce. You cannot be 100% sure. Therefore, wait for the confirmation. Try to understand the market psychology. Number of sellers are much higher in the market right now. As a result, market has failed to bounce from here. Therefore, wait for the market to bounce, or at least wait for some buying volume, then only buy. Otherwise, do not buy and only wait for the market to come down or reverse from this trend line, then only short the market. And if we go to the Forex, currency strength meter. Okay, if we go to the currency strength meter, then you can clearly see that dollar is the strongest. After dollar, JPY is the second strongest currency here, and pound is comparatively weak. Okay. Pound is comparatively in a weaker position in comparison to Japanese yen, and GBP is weak. Therefore, it does not have the strength to go up, or if this is the reason you have failed to see market going up. And if you go to Forex sentiment meter also, you can see that GBP JPY 40% traders have taken short position, 59% traders have taken long position. Even retail traders are also are confused right now where to take the trade, in which side they should take trade. Therefore, do not buy right now until and unless you see some volume, and if you do not see volume, okay, then the only safe opportunity in this chart is to short the market at this trend line. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.